What's up? Okay, today's video is going to be about a special product that I get a lot of questions on, okay? It's this product right here. So, one of the things that we get, or I get often, is questions from students. Hey, I've got cracks in my foundation of my basement. Can I just fill it with mortar? Hey, we have a crack in our basement that leaks water. What should I do about that? Well, this is the product that you want to use for that right there. So one of the things they'll say all the time is, can I just use mortar? Yeah, you can just use mortar, but it's probably one, not going to last very long, and two, not going to stop the water from leaking in. This will. This stuff, this particular product is called Speed Plug, okay? But the generic name is hydraulic cement. All right, what is hydraulic cement? Hydraulic cement, when it sets up, will actually expand, okay? So as you guys should know through all this time, mortar, concrete, when it starts to set up, it actually shrinks. That's why it cracks, okay? This stuff will expand, causing it to fill the crack and preventing water from getting through. All right, so some things you need to know about this product, all right? So I'm actually gonna take this block that we broke the other day, and I'm gonna fill this crack with the hydraulic cement. And in order to do that, I have a pointing trowel. This one is all dirty and beat up because this is the one that I use when working with this product. And again, we'll show you why in a second. I have a block flow. Again, this one's already dirty and beat up. Anything that you use with this stuff is pretty much ruined when you're done with it. All right, why? Because it sets up incredibly fast. I'm gonna make some right now, and by the time we get done with the video, it's already gonna be rock hard, okay? So, we take a little bit of hydraulic cement, pour it in here like so, spill a little bit on the floor. All right, so for the example, we'll do a little bit more than that. That's good. So for the example I'm doing today, that's how much I got. Very little bit of water, but I'm gonna make this soupier or wetter than as if you were going to make mortar because like I said, it sets up so stinking fast. So I add a little bit of water. I'll mix it up. This is actually the container that I use for making this stuff because it sets up so fast. And I have officially made it too wet. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Now, can you see that? You guys that have taken the class would be like, Vim, that is way too wet. Oh yeah, well watch this. So, I'm going to take what I got in here, and I'm going to put it on the crack. It's already setting up, yeah. Put it right on there. Of course, usually it's on a wall, so it's a little more difficult. I got the convenience of it being on a block here on the floor. And now I'm going to force it in, the holes. It's already starting to get hard. Yeah, this one over here that I've got, the first video made where I made a mistake, I made that less than a minute ago. And it's already hard. Okay? So, I got it in the crack. As you can see from the soup, it's already starting to set up. Then, if it's me for a finished product, I don't like that. That's where I get my flow. And I work it in a circular motion like so.
That sounds good.
And then if that was my patch, I'd be happy with that. Here, I'm going to take you over here real quick. Can you zoom in on that booger? That's actually where I use the concrete patch. And it looks so, that's not a crack, that's just the lip from the thing, but it sets up that fast that you really can't finish it and make it look good. This was all a giant crack. Huge, that let in water, and I put this hydraulic cement, and I haven't had an issue with it since. All right, so let's go back over here. So, just to give you some sort of reference point here. Remember that stuff that was soup? That's it now. Here's my crack right here. It's a little still malleable, still can work with it, but that's how fast it's setting up. So whenever you go to, could you just wait on your food for 1 second? My kid's filming this, she can't wait. So whenever you go to use this stuff, do not mix very much. You pretty much want to take the crack that you want to dress, mix up enough for that, and get it on there fast and spread it on. And by that time, it's going to set up in your container. So you'll have to bang out your container and start all over again with your next one. And there you go. It's already hard. That's it. Okay? So if you ever need to fill a crack in a basement, you can use mortar, but it's really not going to stop much. You want to use a product called hydraulic cement. This one, I don't know if you can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. This one I got at Core Building Materials. It's the way to go. All right? See you later.